kids, welcome to SHIVAJI group of institutions online classes. I'm Shivani Vanna, I'm your science teacher. Kids, open your science book, chapter 8, properties of water. In properties of water, we are going to read about properties of water solution, factors that affect making a solution soluble and insoluble substance, floating and shrinking of objects. So kids, open your book, 88 page number. Kids, as we know, water is the most precious and important natural resource that we living beings need for survival. Some particular things are there that human beings not living beings, that is compulsory to survive them. Water is one of them that is very important and precious for living beings to survive in the earth. We cannot imagine our life without water. So first of all, properties of water. We see the water, we drink it, but can we realize what is the properties of water? First of all, water has no color. Water has no color. We see any color in water? No. We add a water. We cannot see. It's a transparent. And second is water is odorless and tasteless. Water is odorless and tasteless. It is not any particular smell or taste. Neutral is there. Water has no shape and size. Water has no shape and size. Why we are taking? Because when we pour water in a glass, it takes shape of a glass shape. When we pour water in a bucket, it takes shape, the bucket shape. Means when we pour water in a particular container, it takes the shape and size of that container. It has no personally shape and size. The next is water exists in 3 states. Remember, water exists in 3 shapes. In 3 matter. Sorry, I say size. 3 matter. Okay. Right now I explain you how water has exists in 3 matter. First we take example ice. Okay. Ice. We all know how ice in the freezer, and it is solid shape. We are now with shape and many, but whatever it there, ice is a solid. Okay, you take ice. When we ice take in a glass and we kept ice in a outside of the fridge, means when we kept in our table, no freezer is there, no freezer is there. After some times, ice is going to be melt and it forms water. Only water is there. So water is a liquid. Okay? Understand? Ice, we keep ice in a glass, and after some time we see that ice is going to be melt and only water is there. So water is in a liquid form and ice is a solid form. You get 2 form of a matter. 2 form of a matter. When we boil that water vapor is there. Water vapor is there. When we boil that water vapor is there. So water vapor is, we see, in a gas form. Okay. So that's why water exists in 3 matter: ice, water, water vapor. We take an ice. After some time we see ice is going to melt. That is a liquid form. When we boil that water vapor is there. That is a gas form. Okay. Water a good solution. What is solution? Means when we add, solution is 2 types. How many types? 2 types solution. Solution is a two types. Solute, solvent. What is solute? Solute means when the substance that dissolved in water, when the substance dissolved in water, that is called solute, and the substance that goes to dissolve means the dissolved part, liquid part is called solvent. Means the liquid in which substance are going to dissolve, it is called solvent. We take an example of sugar water. Sugar is a solid form and it is a solute. Means in water we add sugar and then we mix it, then our solution form. So sugar is a solid and it is solute. Water is a liquid and it is a solvent. And when we mix sugar and water, the sherbet is made solution, that is called solution. Okay kids, water is a good solvent and it makes the water is called universal solvent because it mixes properly in any solvent. In any solute it is mixed it. And again substance is a two type, soluble substance and insoluble substance. Substance are two types. First soluble, next insoluble. Soluble means the substance that easily dissolved in a liquid, that is called soluble substance. Insoluble substance means the substance that doesn't dissolve properly in a liquid, that is called insoluble substance. Like salt water, sugar water, insoluble sand water. Okay kids, the next is factors that affect making a solution. What solution is there, what condition is there to form a solution? Then first is stirring the solution. We have to be, when we mix the solid particles in a liquid, we have to be stir it, mix it properly, because when we are not going to mix it, these are not mix it. Using hot water, we used hot water and compare than cold water. Means when we mixed any substance in a hot water, it dissolved fastly than cold water, then the comparison of cold water, because hot water molecules, that water is hot, heat and heating molecules are going to be melted fastly because heat is there. So in hot water substance is going to be easily melted fast. Size of a solute, size is always matter, because when the larger size of substance is there, it going to be not properly mixed. Clear kids? So and small size there, it mixed it fastly. The next is floating and shrinking of object. Some objects are floating in water, some are shrinking object. That light objects such as paper, leaves, that are float in water, and while heavy objects like metal, coin, pebble, pencil, they are shrink in water. Kids, your chapter A properties of water explanation has done. Your work is you have to read this chapter carefully. Thank you kids and have a nice day.